Hello everyone, so it's me Seth and I hope everyone is doing all right. So again, right now like I was just thinking about it, how to make it more and more kind of basic things and how to make it more sure about what kind of trades you can do it and what kind of strategies you can maintain it and how we can do it profit. So one of the two things that I found it out right now and I wanted to share with you also, these two strategies which is giving you guarantees of the things that you will be having a plus on the trade. So right now we'll be using moving average and RSI. So these are the two indicators that I'll be doing it to you. So all you need to do is just copy my step by steps how I'm doing it. So all you need to go here, click this thing, and then we will start with moving average. So let's go moving average. All the changes that you need to do in moving average, you just need to step by step just do it. Whatever the things are that I'm maintaining the speed or how much the indicators have been moving forward or backwards, you just need to do it. So period we'll do it right now is we will make it to 20. Okay, and moving average, you just need to change it to SMA to EMA. That's it. Okay, as you can see it really. And the second indicator that we'll be using is RSI. So for RSI, the changes that you need to do it for the RSI, make the period around 22 tiles. You just need to click it here, make the background white. You just need to do it here, and this you just need to change the color to the greens, and here you just need to change the color to the red and make it all 2px. So 2px will make it right now. My planning is to just trade for the 4 trades. So 4 deals will do it, 4 trades will do it, and the profit is around, like, we can make it from 5,000 to maybe 7,000 with this strategy. So let's do it. So let's start with the amount. As you can see all the things, and make sure guys the candle should be always on the 15 seconds. Whatever you're doing it, whatever the time period is there, it should be always on the 15 seconds. So yes, then only the strategies can be working around. Like, you just need to follow the strategies what I've been maintaining in all the speed. So let's start trading right now. We'll take an amount, like as you can see it's 5,000. We'll start from 400. Here we'll take a trade and let's check which of the good trades we can have it. So this, and let's check what is good on the market. So step by step we will check. Step by step we will check. This also seems to be 1648, 47. And so let's go check it out. Step by step we will check it. So guys, the reason that I took the upward trend for this right now is really important, that because, so 960, there is a plus for a good trade, that is 960. So let's go for again one more trade. Let's go for again one more trade that we can make it. And we can make the trade. Let's check it step by step. We will check it, which is the good thing. As you can see, it was 1650, and how the intersection has been there, and this also no. There, this feels to be so the reason we took this also upward trend for this also, as you can see how the intersection has been there, and plus 1248. Again we are at a profit of 1248. So this how the strategies work. You just need to know it step by step how to maintain the things. And right now, by the way guys, all the links have been down given below of my YouTube channels and live chats and the both signals and whatever the things have been there, all the things have been lined down to the link down below. So all you need to go is right now click to the link and join me also. And one more trade we will do it, one more. And as you can see how the moving average is being there, and this is the thing. As you can see it step by step, this does not go down to the thing. This is stable. from the 650, as you can see how from the minute it was been boosting up. So that's why we took an upper trend also for this. That's why we took an upper trend also for this, and that's what again 102.48 profit. So one last trade we'll do it right now. Just make the total to 7,000, as we said it from 5,000, maybe 7,000. We can make it. So it's 52. The cross intersection, as we see it here right now, it was been a dip from 51 to 52. So let's go more, check it around. Let's go step by step. And here this we find it. Let's trade it from 800, and let's find it to the 800 trade. So 52, it was been taking a dip here, as we can see. So we will take an upward trend also in this, as you can see, as the dip was been there here, and how the line was been crossing. So we have a profit around like from 7,392. So that is what the guys, all the strategies and all the things that I've been teaching you step by step, from moving average and RSI, what are kind of two indicators. For the next video also, I'll be showing you with two more indicators how I'll be doing it. So keep joining me, have the trade, so we can make profit together. So thank you so much. So thank you so much, guys.